Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin, a medical microbiology scientist. Today we're going to talk about something super basic but super important in microbiology: bacterial shapes and how they're arranged. Understanding this helps us identify bacteria faster, and it's one of the first things we look at under the microscope. Let's break it down. Why shape matters. Bacteria come in different shapes and patterns, and those features tell us a lot about what type of bacteria we're looking at. It's kind of like knowing someone's handwriting. The shape gives you clues. Shape number 1, Cocci. Cocci are round like tiny balls or circles. Some common examples are Staphylococcus, which can cause skin infections, Streptococcus, which can cause strep throat. Cocci can show up in different patterns: singles, just one cell; pairs, called diplococci; chains, like a string of beads, this is Streptococcus; clusters, like grapes, this is Staphylococcus. Shape number 2, Bacilli. Bacilli are rod-shaped, like a small rectangle or a pill. They are longer than Cocci and often appear single rods, like Pseudomonas; chain of rods, like Bacillus anthracis, yes, anthrax. Sometimes they form little palisading arrangements like fans or pickets. Bacilli are very common in gut bacteria, such E. coli. Shape number 3, Spirilla and Spirochetes. Then we have the spiral-shaped bacteria. Spirilla have a rigid, wavy shape. Spirochetes are long and flexible, kind of like a spring or coil. One famous example is this: Treponema pallidum, the bacteria that causes syphilis. Bonus: Vibrios. There's also a shape called Vibrio. It looks like a comma or a curved rod. A good example is Vibrio cholera, which causes cholera. Arrangements matter. Bacteria don't just have shapes, they also group themselves in specific arrangements, and that's just as important. Chains? Look for strepto in the name, like Streptococcus. Clusters? Look for staphylo, like Staphylococcus. Pairs? Look for diplo, like Neisseria, which is a diplococcus. These patterns helps us narrow down which species we're dealing with. To recap, most bacteria are Cocci, round; Bacilli, rod-shaped; spirals, Spirilla, spirochetes; or Vibrios, curved rods. And how they group, in pairs, chains, or clusters, give us even more clues in the lab. If this helped you understand bacterial shapes better, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more microbiology content. Got questions or want me to cover other beginner topics? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.